Hi everybody, I am Lazy Dog Sue, and this is Lazy Dog Jax down here in Key West, Florida, bringing you episode number 2 of the Lazy Dog Way. It's a little bit of a story time each week where I share with you stories from my book, and this is, Lazy Dog Way is written more towards business, but everything in this book can be used in your everyday life and philosophies of life and business. So what I wanted to bring you today was I wanted to talk about leadership. I love leadership. I could probably do about 10 or 20 episodes on just leadership, but I want to break down leadership for you as it pertains today, because we're all going through a tough time, and one of the best things that we can do for ourselves is take care of ourselves and basically lead ourselves. So, leadership in general, people think about leading a business, but I want you to think about leadership as leading yourself. Okay, anyone can be a leader. You can lead your church group, your sports team, your community group, your family. There's lots of different ways you could be a leader out there. The most important is leading yourself, and there are 4 attributes that make a good leader. One is gathering knowledge and making have enough information so that you can make smart decisions. Number 2 is to make a decision. A lot of leaders, what makes a leader is that they make decisions, because a lot of people don't always like to make decisions. Number 3 is taking action. Again, we lose a lot of people here because knowledge is great, but then sometimes we get stuck in the taking action part. And number 4 is following through and following up. So you've got gathering information, making a decision, taking action, follow through, and follow up. 4 things that you really need to do to make yourself a good leader. So I want you guys to really focus this on yourself. Basically become the leader of you. Where do you want to go? What is it that you want to do? Who do you want to be? If you have no idea, which a lot of us don't, or it changes every day, go back to episode 1, which I talk about personal culture. There's lots of great questions there that can help you fine-tune what it is that you want to do, and understand yourself a little bit better. A lot of the You First exercises that I do on my personal page also are just all aimed at trying to find what it is that you want to do and find the healthy version of you physically, mentally, and emotionally. So I always check those out as well. So anyway, I hope this helps. Be the leader of you. Get out there, make some decisions, get some knowledge, make some decisions, take action, and follow through and follow up. Make it happen.